learn about how to install Ubuntu in your device. So first of all, we'll go to this one, Oracle Virtual Box. So you'll get this first link. So you'll open this Oracle Virtual Box and go to downloads. And now go to this Windows. Then install it, because I'm not installing it as I have already installed it. Then after, you'll have to download one more parallel file. That will be, you'll go to this Ubuntu website and just go to this Ubuntu, and you'll get Ubuntu, and you'll get the option of download Ubuntu desktop. So from here you can download your, if you're using Intel processor, so you can download it from here. After some time it will start downloading. So as I'm not downloading it because I have already downloaded it, now we will move to this virtual box as I have already installed it. So we'll go to this virtual box, and you can see here one machine as I have already created it. Now we'll make a new one. So give it a name, any new name. So what will the name? Let's say new machine. So I'm giving it a name, new machine. And OS you can choose. So you have to choose here Linux. After choosing Linux OS distribution, we are choosing Ubuntu. So we will be choosing Ubuntu here. After that, we'll specify the hardware. As in my device there is a total up to 16 GB of RAM. So from 16 GB RAM we can choose whatever we want. But for this Ubuntu OS, for 2 to 4 GB is enough. So I'm choosing here 4 GB. And as the same as the number of CPU, as I have 16 GB total in my desktop, so I'll be choosing around 2 to 4. 2 to 4 core is enough, more than enough for Ubuntu. And we'll specify our hardware disk. So by default it was 25 GB. Now I mean extending it up to 100 GB. So now we'll finish it. So our new machine has been created. So we'll go to open it. So it is opening, it's taking some time. Okay, so it has been opened. So from here we will choose our that file that we have downloaded from here, Ubuntu website. So that is called IFC image. So we will be choosing that. So wherever we have downloaded it, we will choose that. So it is here. I will open it and I will do mount and retry boot. So it will start rebooting our Ubuntu again. You can go for choose this first one, try and install Ubuntu. After that, I'm making it full screen. Now it is installing it. So ignore this error for the first time. So as you can see here, it is already installing. So ignore this error for a while. After a couple of minutes, it will take around 5 to 6 minutes to install this one. After that, I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so it has been installed. So wait for a while, it will give a one pop-up. Okay, so you will be choosing here English. Then after choosing English, you will do next. And here also for keyboard layout, you will be using English US because we have QWERTY keypad, right? And after that, we will be using your use wired connection because whatever the connection you have in your desktop, it will be redirecting it to this Linux environment. So after that, we'll choose the first option, that is install Ubuntu, and after we'll choose this interactive installation. After choosing this one, it is asking like what apps would you like to install to start with. So we'll be selecting default selection because in extended selection it will ask random apps to install. Then we'll be selecting this both option, and then we'll do next. And after doing next, it will we will do select this first one, erase disk and install Ubuntu. After that, no encryption we needed. And if you want to give any name to your machine, you can give it name like my one is, let's say, EG tutorial. Password, whatever you want to choose. Without password it can also work, but I am choosing password. And next, and install. So now it is copying file, then after some time it will install the file, so it's gonna take time, so it can take more than half an hour. So okay, let's wait after when it is getting installed. Okay, so it has been installed, we have to just restart it, so we are doing restart now. Mhm. Now press enter. We will put our password whatever we have set earlier. So mine was 1234. Oh, welcome to Ubuntu. You can see here everything is running great. You can go to just terminal. Next, 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 next. Finish. All set. Now here we are in this folder. If we df, now we can see we have total used 11 GB of the storage while installing this Ubuntu, and starting we have selected 101 GB. So from 101 GB we have used 11 GB. So apart from this, what we have available 85 GB, you can use it to install the applications. So it has pre-installed this much applications, like you have browser and other things. So okay, so comment below if you want anything else in this video, or if you have any question, just comment below, or if you want any other video specific to this, so please comment below. I will make for you guys. So please comment below. And you can also see here internet is running fast here. So what of the speed in my PC is coming here also. So, okay, then all set.